Good morning, my dear student. Today our topic is diversity and discrimination. Diversity and discrimination. What is diversity and discrimination? As you know, diversity. This is a differences between culture, race, and eating habits, color, caste, and many other things. And discrimination. The discrimination is a term whenever we are opposing some colors, caste, races, culture, eating habits, and any other things. That means if we are ready for making negative narratives for those people who are passing their life, including their belief. So, what we do with all of us for the completing of our life objectives, because nowadays we are living in a modern age and good civil societies. So if we want that we should live as a good citizen, then this is duty for all of us. We would be honor, respect for all creatures of human beings. On the other hand, we can say the all creatures are very kind and they are looking forward towards all of us, how we are treat and tact with others. So the reference of this topic, in the reference of this topic, difference and prejudice. The differences and prejudice, as just now I describe regarding differences. Whenever anybody think that we are belonging as a elite class of society and others are not so competent, they can sit with us. So any region, caste, culture, color, creed, and any eating habits are there, any other general phenomena. So this is the difference, and many point of view differences is not always in negative way, it's a positive, whenever we can always be ready for learning process. Because if we are not facing any difference in our life, then how we can learn, how we can motivate to another people, because we are not complete in oneself. Next one is prejudice. If we have a certain stimuli that other is bad and only we are right in every aspect, and some peoples are superstitious, backward classes, and villagers, agriculture, any other things, So all are very honorable person, because they are also a very respected member of our society. So we might have offered honor for themselves, because if they are honored, they are agreed to all those things with us. So prejudice, it's a negative things. We don't follow these types of ideology, because all peoples are very respective. Next one is creating stereotypes. Stereotype means these kinds of people always thinks only one way, only one direction. If they are, if their beliefs were developed in any creed, caste, culture, eating habits, language, so always they have thought, because only my ideology means my narratives, my religion, my caste, my creed, my culture, my eating habits, only this is good, others are bad. So this type of ideology is very dangerous for all of us. It's a not good symbol for the developing society. Next one is inequality and discrimination. Equality is better for the development of social, economic, political, and many aspects. But it's natural truth. If all are equal in our society, then no more developing uh, process or developing opportunity for any other. If inequality between some people, some caste, some creed, some culture, some educations, many things, then if we have lack something, then we have always we try how we have learned more, how we have earned more. So they have always try and try. So according to this is a good thing for nothing, because if all are equal, then they have no they are not interested for doing something, because this is not a motivational inspiration, because they are, if they have some extra knowledge, some have extra power, some people very intrinsic for grabbing some more good things, more property. If all are equal in the world, then this is very bad situation also. So inequality is a beautiful, it's a beautiful we can say some ways it's a beautiful point whenever we have some opportunity to do for something. And discrimination, inequality and discrimination, both are interdependent, because if we have equality, then we have no any discrimination. If inequality, then we have discrimination, because if a person who have all those things and one person, you can say he has not, has and has not. One people have all of resources and other people have only very much resources or less resources, then they have some competition between each other. Without competition, never be you make a dashing personality, and you can do more in your future. So both are interdependent for the development of a human persona, human personality. So if any person want how we can develop, how we can develop our holistic personality, that it's very important how we can make a good competition for each other in our developing society. Next one is striving equality. Always all persons are striving how they can grow more and more. So it's very important the knowledge, the ground knowledge were completely fulfilled as far as language, religion, religion, and language, religion, caste, and eating habits, color, culture, and many developing equipments. As far as we have near about 1600 languages, and mostly 8 main religions are there, and many caste system, and many eating habits, and color. Some people are underestimate to another person if they are not matching their color. And culture, we are proudly say that we have a developed culture, and developing equipments means education, resources. For example, near about 50% people nowadays lives in a rural areas. They had no more advanced technology and many other things in related to urban people, because urban people have many resources, many developing equipments, good education, good roads, electric, and many all things have they have. So if we have always care diversity and discrimination, diversity is a harmony for all of us, and discrimination is not a good thing, because every people are a special statute for God, and no any people in the society which is not bearing a something. So all are very important for the development of our society. So we should honor all of us, and it's very important for all of us. So let's conclude our topic. We will meet soon. Okay, thank you.